Hey everybody, how you doing today? Well, it's a rainy day today, so we figured we would come out and do a little maintenance. Because every time I come out, I fix something and something else breaks. That's how it happens on a boat. So, last time my depth finder transom mount broke. Let me see if I can get you guys a good picture of that. I'm underneath the little boat storage, so it's kind of dark in here today. But that's what happened. It snapped, and I started hearing it dangle and bang up against the boat when I was coming back. It's my GPS, it's everything, and it's vital, so I'm fixing it today. I ordered the new Humminbird. Let me see. There we go. Ordered the new transom, and I also ordered some clear silicone waterproof sealant. It looks like that's what someone did on each one of those boats, so I kind of want to do the same thing, and we're gonna see how this goes real quick. Let me see if we can get you back set up. All right, let's see. So what I'm gonna do first is take that screw out that's holding the transom wire. Whew. I'm gonna take off the least amount of parts as possible to fix this, because I really don't want to pull all the other holes out. I really just want to replace any part that's broken, and that's it. The less, the better. Okay, got that screw out, and yeah, there's some type of Loctite or something on there. Put the flappies on. Is there a way to take this out, please? Please, there's a way. No. Let me look on the other one and see if there's a way. No. The way that's set up, you have to unscrew it to take this off. Okay. No problem. We'll use the two that's still on there. We don't have to put the new one on yet until it completely breaks. All right. I'll take this arm off so we can use the other arm and just replace the arm in this. Of course not. How about you use the tool they gave you, dummy? Because I want to use my own tool. Oh. 1 second, Big Daddy's gotta go get his knee pads. I don't know what's wrong with this. All right. Now I got a comfort up underneath. On these rocks. So the new one came with this Allen wrench. Which is the perfect size, but of course a man and his tools. Okay, got that off. Rubber piece that goes in the middle here. Got that off. Take these other two screws out. I don't know what that swivel is for. Somebody have to let me know one day. I can't even. I don't know. Can't even fix my head around that one. Like, what the heck for? Broke right there. That's the new arm. I'm gonna put some more globs of Loctite back there. No reason to play with it. It's still a good heavy lining on behind it, but I don't have the time. Something go wrong and be back out here playing games with it. I'm over the games. Trusty knife. Okay, I got the Loctite cut open. So now get this out the way for a minute. And let me get the other one before we start playing. Really need a drill for this, guys. Make it so much easier. Okay, we got these two guys back. Hey, rain's picking up. Maintenance day. And then we're gonna screw back in the little transom piece. So I go out one day and I break the front. When I come back home, I'll come back here and I'll fix the front. And then I break the back somehow. I have no clue. I was so pumped about fixing the front. I did it myself because I spliced the wire. And I came back and was like, yo, I know you're kind of happy about the front, but what you gonna do about the back, Pip? I don't like how that's tilted. Okay. One last screw and we have a fixed Hummingbird transom. You guys, please smash that like button. Tap it, caress it, make it feel good. Make it know you're there. You know, it's yours. Make that like button know it's you. Show it a little love. Hit that subscribe button as well. My Loctite. Make sure everything's tightened. Okay. And there we have it. Fixed transom mount Hummingbird all day, baby. Dope Hooks official. Oh man, forgot a whole part. I'm gonna take that back apart and put this part in, people, and that's gonna be it.